So maybe on LinkedIn, you've been seeing a lot of videos that look like this on your timeline. And that's not just a coincidence. When you have a look at LinkedIn statistics, it's showing that video is getting more and more popular on the platform. So if anything, you should probably hop on this trend because it's getting people a lot of attention. So in this video today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a nice professional looking LinkedIn video that looks like the example from before so that you can post it on your LinkedIn timeline and get those views rolling in. And we're gonna be using our program Type Studio to do so. So in order to do that, first, let's create the video. So first, either you're gonna get yourself a camera, like I have, a phone to just record on, or maybe even a webcam. Open up that camera, set it to video, and hit record. Hi everybody, my name is Alex with Type Studio, and we're gonna be showing you today how to make really cool LinkedIn videos that are based off of the really popular styles that are going viral on LinkedIn these days. So we just wanted to show you how to do that yourself. So stick around, you'll be able to do that. Perfect, so now that we have the video recorded, we're gonna take that and we're gonna take it and put it into Type Studio on the computer. So however you recorded that, if you've recorded it on your computer, that's great, it's already right there. If you recorded it on your phone, you're gonna have to throw it onto Google Drive or something just to get it onto your computer. And once you do, we'll hop on over real quick and I'll show you what you gotta do with Type Studio to get it looking all like that crazy cool LinkedIn video. All right, so first things first, you're gonna go to typestudio.co and you're gonna go to the top right, and you're gonna click sign up for free. You'll sign up and sign in, and then it'll bring you to our dashboard, which this is our dashboard. And on this page, you are going to be uploading that video that you just created. Create a new project and then find that video, drag it and drop it in and let it upload and transcribe. So once uploaded, we'll be brought to the editor itself, where on the left-hand side, you will see the transcribe dialog, and the right-hand side, you will see the video preview. Now, let's make this video look all LinkedIn professional, shall we? So first, let's mess with the aspect ratio a little bit. Let's make it more square or portrait looking. Let's try square first. Once you click that, you're gonna have to resize the video. So just grab the corners, drag it, make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm gonna put it dead center. So then, let's have a look here, what it looks like. Hi everybody, my name is Alex with Type Studio, and we're gonna be showing you today how to make, cool, okay. So once we got the video set in the center and everything's good to go, and you can see our face the whole time, what we'll do is we'll add a background color. Let's change it up, make it a little more poppy. Green, yellow, light blue. I think that's pretty poppy. I think that looks good, especially with my my tan. I don't know, for some reason I feel like that light blue just works. But now let's add some of that text that you've seen. So first off, let's add the subtitles to this. Let's go through and change all of this dialogue right here to subtitles. And in order to do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in and click subtitles and choose static or dynamic. I like static. Click that, and then you see the subtitles text box showed up, which you can also manipulate, make it a little bit bigger, drag it to the bottom. You can change the color of this as well, so if we wanna make it relate to that, that looks pretty good. And hit play, let's see what it looks like. Hi everybody, my name is Alex with ooh, too big. All right, let's make this a little bit smaller. That's a good little tip to know. You're gonna have to gauge it by the biggest set of text. So find the area in which they have the most, and then gauge it off of that. So let me try that again. Let me hit the play button. Hi everybody, my name is Alex with Type Studio, and we're gonna be showing you today how to make really cool. Okay, that looks a lot better. So now that we have the subtitles done, let's add some of that text at the top. Maybe a name tag and then some extra little things that'll pop up throughout. So in order to add some of those text blocks, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on a word where you want it to start, click the little T icon, and then a text block will show up right here, which you can manipulate, move around, change the text within. So Alex Velez. That is I. I can also change the color of this guy as well and possibly get rid of the background. Maybe that looks pretty good, just to name it entirely. Now, in order to make sure that my name stays the entire way or however long I want it, you have to indicate that through these two columns and blocks. So drag this one to the beginning, and then drag this one however long you want it to last. I want it to last the whole thing. So it's gonna sit here at the beginning and the end, which indicates that this text block will last the entirety of the video. So let's have a look. Hi everybody, my name is Alex with Type Studio, and we're gonna be showing you today. Fantastic, okay. So if we wanna add a couple more things that pop up throughout the video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and we're gonna do the same exact thing. We're gonna click on a word where we want to start it, and we can add another text block. So with this text block, I wanna highlight some of the parts of the things that I'm saying throughout the video, have them pop up throughout, and then leave. So first things first, I want to indicate that we're creating LinkedIn videos. And I wanna say, create cool LinkedIn videos. Make it a little bit smaller. And I want this to last only when I say really cool LinkedIn videos that are based on popular styles. So I'll drag this to the end of popular styles, drag the beginning to right here. And now let's have a look at this. Today, how to make really cool LinkedIn videos that are based off of the really popular styles that are going viral. Now we can also stack the text blocks themselves. So if you want multiple at the same time, we can do that as well. So really cool LinkedIn based off of really popular styles. So I'll add one right here. Use Type Studio to stylize video. Perfect. Make it a little bit smaller. And pop it in below as well. Maybe I'm gonna drag this guy over. Cool. All right. Make really cool LinkedIn videos that are based off of the really popular styles that are going. All right, so with that, you can see that the text pops in and pops out while still having my name displayed at the top. Now that I showed you how to add the text to your video, let's cut it up a little bit. I'm gonna throw on the good old cans so I can listen to this a little bit better. And we can cut this down so that it looks the best it can be. So for those who don't know, Type Studio is actually a video editor. It's not just a place you can add subtitles and text to, or images to. It's also a video editor, which is its primary function. So in order to edit these videos, all you have to do is know how to work a Word document or like a Google Docs doc. And that's what makes Type Studio really cool, is you get to edit via the text on the left-hand side. No cutting and pasting anything on an actual video timeline. It's all based on what you said, and if you don't want to say a sentence, you just delete it, and Type Studio makes the cut for you. So I'm gonna listen through this and see if I can spot any spots that I kind of want to cut out or change or lessen the time of, maybe cut out some pauses and whatnot. So let me do that real quick. All right, so first off, I'm gonna get rid of these pauses at the beginning and the end. So in order to do that, either you can go to each one of these little dots and words, and these dots indicate pauses. So you can go in and you can click this button to delete it, or you can actually just cycle back and through with the arrow keys, click on them, or highlight the entirety, and hit that button or hit the delete key as well. And there you go, we made the edit and we made it so that that last portion of just silence is just gone. Now to show you how it looks to cut out a portion of actual dialogue, I'm going to get rid of this little spot that says, so we just wanted to show you how you can do that yourself. We're gonna do this to cut down on some time and maybe make it more engaging as being a 10-second video rather than a 20-second video. So let's hit delete on that. And then there we go, let's have a look at this cut. Hi everybody, my name is Alex with Type Studio, and we're gonna be showing you today how to make really cool LinkedIn videos that are based off of the really popular styles that are going viral. Maybe let's make these last a little bit longer. I feel like they just come in and out too quickly. So let's drag these, give them that, give them that. Give them the time they deserve. All right, hit play, let's have a look. Really cool LinkedIn videos that are based off of the really popular styles that are going viral on LinkedIn these days. So stick around, you'll be able to do that. And there you go. There's your nice little LinkedIn video, all cut up, all added with text and subtitles and everything ready to go, and catch some eyes on LinkedIn. Now, once you're done with it, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna export this bad boy. Let's hit export real quick, and then I'll show you how to download it on your computer. All right, y'all, once exported, we're just gonna hit the download button right here. This is our sharing page, by the way. So this is where you can take this video, and if you make it public, you can take, here, let me just show you real quick. Make it public, you can copy this link, and you can send that to anybody, and then it'll bring them back to this page. It's a way for you to share your videos without having to download and upload elsewhere. But in order to do what we're doing with LinkedIn, you're just gonna have to download this. So click this download button right here, and then I'll show you how to upload it into LinkedIn with all of the SRT files and everything and get you all situated. So first, let's actually go back to edit the video so we can bring it back to this spot. And then I'm going to download the SRT file, which is the subtitle file, so that we can use that to also add into LinkedIn, which helps with ranking and SEO stuff and like keyword stuff. A lot of stuff that's over the top of my head, but all I know is that when websites offer you things to use, 9 times out of 10, you should try to implement that into your uploads so that they get as much data as they want, and they're gonna use your video a lot more to curate data than if you were to just upload a video and not use any of their stuff. And that's my way of thinking about it. So long story short, let's just download this SRT file as well. Neat. All right, so here is LinkedIn. If you've never seen LinkedIn before, this is LinkedIn. So, so on LinkedIn, we're just gonna click video. We're gonna select this video. Then we're gonna select caption. So here's where the SRT file comes in. I think it downloaded as untitled 30, which you can change that if you'd like. It's just how it was downloaded. Let's click that and it'll come on in. And then once uploaded into that, click done. And then it'll bring you over here to this spot where you can add your copy as well. So let's make a little bit of a tagline real quick. And then you're good to go. Scroll down, add some hashtags, so content, SEO, digital marketing, social media, and then hit post. Once posted, you'll see that it's nice, big, eye-catching, and right there for you. Excuse me. Nice, big, eye-catching, and right there for you so that other people can scroll by and see what you're posting. So all of that considered, I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little bit of something. I hope that you now know how to create some really cool, engaging content for LinkedIn that, based on statistics, you know, might get you some views, some acknowledgement. And that's all we want here. We just want to create a product that allows you to expand yourself, both with business and creativity. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. Also, check out the social medias that are floating underneath my head. We post there frequently. We post there about when we're doing a product hunt launch, which actually today is Monday, the 26th of April. And we actually just posted to Product Hunt as well. So if you go over there and give that a nice little upvote, we would be very happy about that. We've been working very hard recently on a bunch of features, a bunch of new additions to it, new additions to our team. We've been expanding. It's been a lot of fun, and we would really hate for you to miss out on that. So make sure you check out our social medias, give us a follow, subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.